And the next one is the passenger alert system in a bus. And are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so you can share your screen or do whatever you want. You don't have to share. And whenever you are ready, please begin.
So this is sample concept of road. These two are vehicles on road. Knowingly, unknowingly, accident happens. I will show how accident happens. When the passenger put their body parts outside the bus window, then accident happens. And this is front side of the bus window, and this is back side of the bus window. I use component is 9-volt battery clipper, resistor 47 ohm, transistor BC557, buzzer, and 2 wires. Whenever the passenger put their body parts outside the bus window, then the air sensor will start giving warnings. Like this. In future, we can fit this device in all of the passenger vehicles. By that, we can save lives. This is about my project. Thank you.
Oh, very good. Very good. Judges, do we have any questions? Celeste, you have a question?
Yes, just one moment, please. I just need to change my view so that I can see. It sounds like it's a very necessary invention, because it sounds like a lot of people travel in buses with their arms hanging out the window. Do you think, would they listen to your alarm? So they're going to put their arm out the window, the alarm will go off, they know what they're doing is not very safe. Are they going to listen to you?
They listen, because they not listen, then the bus staff will tell them.
Okay, thank you.
Great. Thank you. Mohammed, please.
Yeah, no, I think you're right, Pratiksha, that when the alarm goes off, then the whole bus would be like, please put your put your arm back in. So because of the noise. So I would love to hear, have you tried, like, in terms of your testing, just like Sydney asked the previous team? I think that's a brilliant question, Sydney. So I would love to ask that same question, which is, how, have you tested it? What was the reaction, Pratiksha? Uनको पसंद आया कि नहीं आया? कैसा था?
So when I tested it, when I traveled, I just set up there this window, and I put my hand outside the bus window. Then the other passenger look at me, and I am embarrassed. That embarrassment take that passenger put in the hand of the bus window.
Brilliant. User behavior economics. I love this, Pratiksha. Well done.
Susan, do you have a question?
Yes, I wanted to congratulate you on your logbook and your communication explanation in your materials about how this invention works. I was a little concerned that you depend on the bus driver or the bus staff to correct passenger behavior, because if I'm the bus driver, I would like to focus on driving, not what my passengers are doing. But you just answered that question very well. The last question I have for you is, would you think about improving your solution, and what would you do to improve it?
We can do improvement in this in future.
For example, the demonstration you showed us is an individual window in the bus, right, that has this device. So would you think at the moment that the way you would implement your solution is to put one of these devices at every window? Or is there maybe a way that you can put your alerting solution throughout the whole bus to reduce the cost, for example?
We can do this, but in India, every city had transport department. We can give them. So then
So that the transportation department could help you with how best to implement this on all the different vehicles.
yeah.
Thank you. That's a good
Great,
idea.
great, excellent, excellent, excellent. I am an engineer and I love to see the parts. You held it up, but can you hold it up and then tell us what each part is?
Okay. This is 9-volt battery. This is battery clipper. This is buzzer and 2 wires, IR sensor, transistor BC557 and resistor 47 ohm. This is component I used in this device.
How did you know to build this?
I research on the internet. I asked teachers what kind of sensor is this? What type of sensor is we have? So this is proximity type.
Great, great, very good. Celeste, question, please?
Just a quick one, Pratiksha. How would you protect your battery and your connection? Would it be the inside of the frame of the window?
We
Would it
can do
have-
cover, of the wood or plastic, aluminum foil, anything like this.
And would the alarm still be picked up? Would you still be able to you hear the alarm if,
Yes,
if
yes.
it was covered in a wood encasing?
It will hear this.
You would be able to do that. Thank you. Good.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you. Any students have a question? Does anybody ever ride a bus and stick their hand out? I did that.
Ahead.
Sydney, question?
So, like, what if the person putting the hand outside the window was deaf?
Diff. Sound
If
is not
they-
clear. Can you repeat it?
Repeat your question. So, if the person cannot hear the alarm, like because
Yes,
they're deaf, then how will they stop putting their hand out of the window?
It's alarm is louding. There is LED light.
very good, very good. Excellent, thank you very much. That's a very good idea.
Maybe
Okay,
you could add like signal that you should stop putting the hand out of the window.
yes, very good, very good. Well, thank you very much. That was a wonderful idea.